Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So guys, previous video I'm just creating YouTube channel but not sure, so I'm just click profile icon and this is my channel and I'm going to YouTube studio and then customize. So keep watching this video. So I hope this video totally helpful, so please subscribe our channel and like this video and share this video. So welcome to studio. Okay, just I'm click continue and YouTube page, just zoom out 20%. Okay, now I'm click left side customization, so I can upload image and banner. So guys, how can generate your profile logo? So with us, so guys, this is my old YouTube channel names, just I'm typing Tashavish. Okay, this is my new channel name. Okay, I'm just zoom it. Oh no, okay, the 420, just zoom it this. Okay, and logo is ready. So guys, I'm just upload my logo. So click upload and location, download, select and click upload and publish. So guys, let's see next video. I'm create just banner. So goodbye.